How to view saved passwords on Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kit and welcome back to another video. And on this video, we will learn how we can view saved passwords on Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, navigate to the search icon and in the search bar, search for Credential Manager. That's going to open up this interface in your device. Now on the Credential Manager, there you have two options that you can view. You can either view your web credentials or your Windows credentials. On the web credentials, there are some of your information displayed here. In order to view your password, you have to click on it and there you'll have an option to view your password. So from there, you can find your password. If you want to go with your Windows credential, again click on it and then you have to select any one of your credential from here, click on it. There you will also have the option to edit it. If you want to edit it and update your password, you can also do that. And that's how you can find saved passwords in Windows 11. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.